I am teacher Ala, and this is Discover. We are in C2, World Around Me. Do you remember last lesson? Yes, it was about the flower parts and the flower needs. Do you remember the plant parts? We have 4 parts: flower, stem, leaves, and roots. What are plant needs? They are 4. We have air, sun, water, and soil. Okay, so we have 4 parts and 4 needs. Today we are going to speak about the habitat. What is a habitat? What does habitat mean? Habitat means the shelter. Do you remember the needs of the animals? Or our needs? Food and water, air and shelter. What is the shelter? It's like the house, the home, the tree for the animal, for the bird. What else? The burrow for the fennec fox. Okay? What is the habitat of the plant, of the flower, of the tree? Today we are going to speak about the habitat, the shelter. Okay? We have a very nice song. Look at the board.
Habitat, habitat, have to have a habitat, 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 have to have a habitat, 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 have to have a habitat, you have to have a habitat to carry on. The ocean is a habitat, very special habitat. It's where the deepest water's at, where the biggest mammals at, where our future food is at, keeps the atmosphere intact. The ocean is habitat we depend on. Habitat, habitat, have to have a habitat, 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 have to have a habitat, 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 have to have a habitat, you have to have a habitat to carry on. The forest is a habitat, very special habitat. It's where the tallest trees are at, where a bear could scratch her back. Keeps the ground from rolling back, renews the oxygen. In fact, the forest is habitat we depend on. Habitat, habitat, have to have a habitat, 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 have to have a habitat, 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 have to have a habitat, you have to have a habitat to carry on. All right, everybody, air guitars. River is a habitat, very special habitat. It's where the freshest water's at for people, fish, and muskrats. But when people dump their trash, rivers take the biggest rap. The river is habitat we depend on. People are different than foxes and rabbits, affect the whole world with our bad habits. Better to love it while we still have it, or rat-a-tat-tat, our habitat's gone. Habitat, habitat, have to have a habitat, 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 have to have a habitat, 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 have to have a habitat, you have to have a habitat to carry on. You have to have a habitat to carry on. You have to have a habitat to carry on. You have to have a habitat to carry on.
Very nice. I enjoyed it. Look at the board. So we have the habitat. What is the habitat? It's a place. It can be hot, warm, or cold. It can be dry or rainy. Like the desert. In desert, plant must keep water inside it. Okay? We have habitats for plants and animals. Okay? The brown bear lives in the forest. The forest have trees and rocks to climb. The brown bear has thick fur, sharp claws, and strong teeth. Look at this. This is a brown bear. Look at it. He has a thick fur, sharp teeth. He lives in the forest. Okay? The habitat lives in the forest. Forests have trees and rocks to climb. Okay? The brown bear has thick fur. The brown bear has sharp claws. The brown bear has strong teeth. Why does the brown bear have these features? Why he has sharp claws, sharp teeth, and fur and thick fur? Why? Because it lives in a forest. Okay? We have the habitat like the forest, like the desert, like the water, like the underground. Okay? Like we talked about the teddy bear, it lives in the forest and it has thick fur to protect